After 3 weeks of reading NC lists, EFTA filings, and every peer-reviewed study I could find on 10 viral hair products, I've got to be honest with you. Some of the loudest names on the internet don't do what they promise. And the one everyone called dangerous is the one with the strongest independent proof that it actually rebuilds hair. Let's rank all 10. Number 10 is Color Wow Dream Coat. If you've watched a single celebrity stylist on TikTok, you've seen this one. Chris Appleton, the man behind Jennifer Lopez and Kim Kardashian's hair, sprays it on models and pours water down their heads. The water beads up and rolls off. According to PureWow, the demonstration has racked up over 136 million views, and ColorWow's own team says the spray sells every 4 seconds worldwide. The scientist behind it, Dr. Joe Sincata, calls it a heat-activated polymer technology that clamps the cuticle shut, and it genuinely works. If you're over 60 and your hair fights you every humid morning, this $30 spray gives you the smooth, mirror-like shine of a professional blowout. It's also a heat protectant, which older, drier hair desperately needs. So why is it only at number 10? Because it doesn't actually repair your hair. It simply coats it with a polymer film. Every honest stylist I read said the same thing quietly, in their own words. It's a beautiful raincoat, not a treatment. Wash it out 3 or 4 times and the effect is gone. For a special occasion, a family portrait, a wedding, a lovely lunch with friends, it's a joy. As a daily fix for the deeper fragility that comes with age, it's a distraction. Your hair looks better while the product is on. The follicle underneath is exactly where it was. Once you understand that difference, the next 9 products on this list start to make a lot more sense. Now let's move up to number 9, Redken Acidic Bonding Concentrate. Redken is owned by L'Oreal, and this one lives on every salon shelf in the country. The reason comes down to one simple word, and that word is acid. As we age, our hair's natural pH slowly climbs, and the cuticle starts to lift. That lifting is what makes hair look dull and feel rough between shampoos. This treatment uses citric acid, the same acid you'd find in a lemon, and the intensive treatment version contains 14% of it. That's the highest level in Redken's whole collection. What that acid does is pull your cuticle back down and lower hair pH into the healthy 4.5 to 5.5 range. Redken markets a 56% reduction in breakage and an 89% reduction in combing force. But wait, there's a catch. Those numbers come from Redken's own testing, and the baseline they used was a shampoo with no conditioner in it at all. That's a very forgiving comparison. So the system works, but the numbers you see on the box are marketing, not independent science. For 60-plus hair that's been colored, permed, or blown dry for decades, dropping the pH back to healthy is a real, gentle upgrade. It won't grow new hair. It also won't stop shedding. What it will do is stop the breakage that makes existing strands snap off before they can reach the length you want. And that alone can change a mirror moment for a woman who feels her hair has been quietly disappearing on her. That brings us to number 8. The Ordinary Multi-Peptide Serum for Hair Density. This one costs about $20. That's remarkable, because it's stuffed with the same peptide complexes that expensive brands charge 4 times as much for. The names you'll see on the label include Redensil, Procapil, Capixil, Bakapil, and Anagain. Every one of these trademarked cocktails has a small peer-reviewed study behind it. Redensil, for example, wakes up sleeping hair follicles by flipping the exact switch your body uses when it wants to grow a new strand. Capixil calms the inflammation that makes a follicle slowly shrink over the years. Procapil protects the little proteins that anchor each strand to your scalp. For a woman in her 60s who's noticed a wider part or thinner ends, this is one of the most sensible first steps I can point you to. It's cheap, weightless, and easy to add to your morning routine. Where it falls short is the leap from ingredient to finished product. Every impressive number The Ordinary shows you comes from the labs of the companies that make those peptides, tested in isolation. There isn't a large trial on the actual finished serum you're spraying on your scalp, so the science is plausible. It just isn't proven for this exact bottle. Use it for 6 months of reduced shedding and slightly denser regrowth in areas that still have live follicles. Don't use it if you're expecting the front hairline to come back, because that's a doctor's office conversation. Sitting at number 7 is Better Not Younger. This is the only major brand on the list built entirely for our audience. Founder Sonsoles Gonzalez, a beauty industry veteran, once said something that hit me hard. She was in product meetings where every brief targeted women aged 18 to 44. She used to joke, "What happens to women after 44? Do they disappear?" Then one day it wasn't funny anymore, because now it was her. So she started this brand for the rest of us. Her Superpower Fortifying Hair and Scalp Serum won Harper's Bazaar's Best Scalp Serum in 2022 and Glamour's Best Scalp Treatment the year after, and she wasn't finished. Her Lift Me Up thickening spray promises up to 187% more volume, which sounds wild until you feel a flat, tired crown lift for the first time in a decade. The formulas lean on ceramides, biotin, niacinamide, and squalane. Every one of those is exactly what your aging scalp is hungry for, but there's a wrinkle. What kept it out of my top 5 is what an independent site called Illuminate Labs flagged. They couldn't find published research proving a couple of the star ingredients did what the marketing claimed, and they noted fragrance and bait in some formulas. For a brand this thoughtful, that's a small disappointment. Still, the serum is genuinely useful, and there's something powerful about a brand that actually sees you. If your grocery store shampoo has stopped delivering, this line is a warm, well-designed upgrade. Just walk in with your eyes open. Marketing warmth isn't the same thing as clinical proof, and this brand blends the two more than it probably should. At number 6, we have Divi Scalp Serum. This one came out of a real story. Danny Austin, a young influencer with over 3 million followers, watched her hair fall out in clumps from stress and postpartum shock, so she built the brand she wished she'd had. Today, Divi is a $100 million company, and it took a strategic investment from Norwest in 2024. The serum sits at around $48 a bottle and drops to about $43 on subscription. What's inside is genuinely thoughtful. You'll find copper tripeptide 1, acetyl tetrapeptide 3, caffeine, amino acids, tea tree, and rosemary in the mix. That's a real scalp health formula, not a fluff cocktail. The brand's own study reports 90% of users saw visibly fuller hair after 12 weeks. Before I go further, one important correction, because rumors online mix up two very different companies. Divi isn't a multi-level marketing brand. That's a different company called Monat, which has faced its own class action lawsuits. Divi is a straightforward direct-to-consumer product you can buy at Target, Ulta, or Amazon. So what does it actually do for a woman over 60? Honest long-term reviewers with thyroid and hormone-driven thinning report a calmer, less itchy scalp within weeks and slightly less shedding within 2 months. What they don't report is new hair growing back in the places where it's already gone, which is the same story we saw with The Ordinary. This is soil care, not seed planting. It's beautiful for maintenance. But it isn't the answer if you're staring at bare spots and hoping for a miracle. One quick pause here. If this ranking is helping you avoid overpriced anti-aging products, please hit like and subscribe so you don't get caught by the hype. The ones at the top of this list aren't the ones everyone is talking about. In fact, one of them is the product every gossip site warned you against. Let's move on to the top 5. Halfway through the ranking at number 5, Vegamour. This is where the ranking gets interesting. Vegamour is one of the most heavily marketed hair growth serums of the last 5 years. Launched by Daniel Hodgden in 2016 and picked up by Sephora in 2021. In 2024, Cosmopolitan readers voted it their choice for hair growth. The bottle says the Grow Plus Advanced Serum delivered a 93% clinically measured improvement in hair density and an 87% reduction in hair loss due to breakage from washing and combing over 120 days. Read the ingredient list and it sounds like a herbalist's dream. On the label, you'll see mung bean, red clover, curcumin, and caffeine. Dermatologist Dr. Pooja Rambia has said these ingredients can help block DATE, the hormone linked to female pattern thinning, stimulate follicles, and strengthen hair. So far, so good. Now for the receipts. An independent hair research site called Perfect Hair Health reviewed the study's Vegamore sites and concluded the data doesn't fully match the claims on the box. A physician at Hims put it more plainly: it isn't FDA approved, and the ingredients haven't been proven to regrow hair in balding areas. That's the sentence to remember. The only two topicals the FDA has ever approved for hair regrowth are finasteride and minoxidil. Everything else, including this beautiful bottle, is a shedding reduction and thickening aid at best. If you have gentle, diffuse thinning around your part, Vegamore is a lovely experiment. If you have real bald spots, save the money for a dermatologist appointment. Coming up at number 4 is Mielle Rosemary Mint Scalp A&D Hair Strengthening Oil. This $10 bottle became the most controversial product on the internet almost overnight. In December of 2022, an influencer named Alex Earl posted a video claiming tremendous hair growth after using it for a month. The product flew off shelves so fast that longtime Black customers who'd trusted this brand for years couldn't find it anywhere. Days later, in January of 2023, P&G Beauty bought Mielle outright. Then, in 2024, a viral TikTok from a creator alleging severe hair loss racked up over 4 million views, and a class action lawsuit was filed against Mielle and P&G. Founder Monique Rodriguez maintained the formula never changed and later alleged that the viral hair loss video came from a creator paid by a competitor. That's a serious claim to make against another company. So does rosemary actually work the way TikTok says it does? Honestly, the evidence is thinner than the internet would have you believe. In 2015, a peer-reviewed study in the journal SkinMed followed 100 patients with pattern hair loss. Half of them used rosemary oil, half used minoxidil at 2%. After 6 months, both groups saw a significant increase in hair count, and the rosemary group actually reported less itching. Please read the fine print though. The study used minoxidil at 2%, not the stronger 5%, and it was just 100 people. That's one small study, not a mountain of proof. Rosemary is a genuinely promising, affordable option for a mature scalp. Just don't drown your hair in it. Over-oiling breaks the very strands you're trying to protect. Number 3 is K18 Leave-In Molecular Repair Hair Mask. This is the tiny $75 tube that took Instagram by storm. Founded in 2020 by Suveen Sahib and Britta Cox, K18 was so hyped that Unilever bought around 92% of it in February of 2024. The magic word is peptide, specifically a lab-designed molecule called She Oligopeptide 78, which the brand says reconnects broken chains inside your hair. And well-respected dermatologists have leaned in. Dr. Snehal Amin of MDC's Dermatology called it a great leave-in conditioner mask, comparing the feel to a spa for your hair. Dr. Marisa Garshik has said peptides may help hydrate the scalp and hair, making them look healthier, so the reviews are real. What almost no one on TikTok mentions, though, is a quieter set of receipts. An independent lab called Illuminate Labs pointed out that K18 doesn't cite a single published clinical trial on its own product page. And in 2024, a peer-reviewed study in the journal Cosmetics compared K18 directly to Olaplex on bleached hair. The result was quiet, but stunning. K18 formed an outer layer sitting above the strand. Olaplex actually penetrated and rebuilt the disulfide bonds inside it. In other words, K18 coats your hair beautifully, while Olaplex repairs it. There's another catch too. K18 contains 3 alcohols in its formula, which help the product spread, but can also dry out already fragile mature hair. Use it strategically for that, before a color appointment, before a hot tool session, or after a rough beach vacation. It earns its price. Just don't confuse how it feels the next morning with the deeper repair your 60-year-old strands actually need. That's the whole trap. That takes us to number 2, Nutrafol. This is the $88 a month pill that has claimed the top spot in nearly every dermatologist office in America. It launched in 2016. Then Unilever bought a roughly 80% stake in 2022. Their own 6-month study followed 250 men and women, split into 5 different formula groups. The Nutrafol Women women's vegan, and women's balance groups all passed what's called the hair pull test, meaning fewer strands came out when a doctor gently tugged, and the thickness of each strand grew by roughly 8 to 9%. A newer 2026 study reported hair growth rates rising by anywhere from 18 to 37% from baseline. Those are genuinely meaningful numbers for a supplement. Now, the reason it isn't sitting at number one. In April of 2023, the consumer advocacy watchdog Tina.org filed a formal complaint with both the FTC and the FDA, saying that Unilever's Nutrafol was deceptively marketing its hair growth supplements. Their legal director, Laura Smith, said a global industry giant like Unilever has no excuse for allowing the exploitation of a susceptible population of consumers suffering from hair loss. Class action lawsuits followed in New York federal court soon after. There's also a technical piece worth understanding. Nutrafol studies are open label, which is a polite way of saying there wasn't any placebo group. That weakens the science, no matter how strong the numbers look. So is it worth $88 a month for a woman in menopause? Their Women's Balance formula was designed for exactly this stage of life. Just walk into that subscription with clear eyes and cancel any month you feel like it. Which brings us to number 1, Olaplex number 3 Hair Perfector. This is the plot twist of the entire ranking. Olaplex is the product every gossip site told you was dangerous. And by a wide margin, it's the one with the strongest independent proof that it actually rebuilds hair. Dean Crystal founded the brand in 2014. The at-home number 3 Perfector launched in 2018 at around $30. Then, in February of 2023, roughly 30 women filed a lawsuit alleging hair loss and scalp injury. The internet lit up overnight. Salons pulled the product from their shelves, and grandmothers everywhere threw away half-empty bottles in a panic. Now hear what actually happened next, because the internet never told you this part properly. On July 11th of 2023, a federal judge named R. Gary Klausner dismissed the claims, ruling that the plaintiff's injuries didn't arise from the same transaction or occurrence. The lead plaintiff voluntarily dropped her case just weeks later, and no product was ever recalled. What Olaplex did quietly remove was a fragrance ingredient called lilial, which the U had already banned. It made up about 1/100% of the formula, and it had nothing to do with the active repair chemistry inside the bottle. Now the science, because this is the most important part. In 2024, a peer-reviewed study in the journal Cosmetics tested Olaplex directly against K18 on bleached hair. Olaplex's water-based formula created a visible inner sheet inside the strand, filling empty spaces and rebuilding disulfide bonds. That isn't a marketing language. That's the chemistry of real hair repair, confirmed by scientists who don't work for the brand. For our gray and white hair, which is more fragile than the darker hair we had in our 30s, bond building matters more, not less. And that is exactly why Olaplex sits at number 1 on this ranking. The drama was loud, but the receipts were louder. So that's the honest ranking of 10 viral hair products. Skip the drama and read the ingredient list, because at 60 and beyond, we aren't chasing miracle regrowth. We're protecting the beautiful, silvered, hard-earned hair we already have, one bond at a time. If this helped, please hit like and subscribe so more women our age find us. Age gracefully, strategically, and with receipts. I'll see you soon.